Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making my favourite breakfast, egg on toast, but in the air fryer. Okay, so we've got one egg, one quite thick slice of bread there. I've got a glass, and what we're going to be doing is just putting that glass into the bread, pushing quite hard so that we make a sort of divot. That's where the egg is going to go. That looks good. Okay, so the next step, we're actually going to butter this bit of bread. Here we go. Make sure you get it full coverage. And we're just going to make sure we get the inside of the divot as well. That's going to add a lot of flavour when we actually eat this breakfast. This is great because you haven't got to worry about the hob being on or anything like that. You can just put it in the air fryer, walk away. And there we go. There's our bread all nice and buttered. Now the air fryer we're going to be using today is the Ninja sort of health grill one. We are going to go and turn it on, and we want a temperature of, we'll go to air fry mode, sorry, temperature of 190, and we're going to be cooking this for 7 minutes. So we'll just take that down there, 7 minutes, and push start. The air fryer will start to preheat, so once we've reached the preheat, we will put our bread inside, crack on the egg, and start cooking. There we go. The add food has appeared on the display, so let's get that bread in. There we are. If you can see that. And now I'm going to try this and do this as elegantly as possible, but crack an egg and put that in the middle. Now that is perfect. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. We're going to put a little bit of salt on there. And you could, if you wanted to, you could put some cheese all around the edges if you wanted to, but I'm going to keep it simple. Just egg on toast, and we're going to shut the lid. While that's cooking, if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button, it costs you nothing, but it really does help the channel out. And if you're liking the video, please hit the thumbs up button as well. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be informed when there's any more up and coming videos. So here we are, guys. We are coming up to the end of the cooking cycle. I cannot wait to see how well it's done. And let's have a look. And wow, look at that. I think we should get this on a plate, cut it in half, and see how well that egg's cooked. So here we are. Let's cut it in half and see how well it's cooked. Oh, and look at that. Look at that. Very crunchy bread. Look at how runny that is. That's probably perfect for me. If you'd like it a bit runnier, you could decrease the time slightly. Or if you like it not runny at all, increase the time. If you don't have a preheat function on your air fry, you could just put it on for 9 minutes and then add the bread at the 7-minute mark. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. Leave any comments down below if you tried this recipe. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.